Hello there, my tulips. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Bliss in the house. How y'all doing today? So I'm gonna take that as you're doing pretty good today. Yeah. So today's video is just simply going to be about my final thoughts regarding passion twist or spring twist, whichever one you call them. It's all the same thing in my book. So not too long ago I had done a video about why I love spring twist so much. So I want to let you guys know if I still really love spring twist or passion twist now. So to be quite frank with you guys, passion twist, should you get them? Absolutely. If you have really sensitive scalp, then passion twist may be for you because it's extremely lightweight. It's not heavy at all. Or just if you want that light feeling, you don't want the heavy braids, then passion twist is most certainly for you, or spring twist, whichever one you want to call it. But there is a downfall in my opinion when it comes to passion twist or spring twist. And just a FYI for you guys, I am just speaking of my own personal experience. It may not be your experience. So what I've noticed since I've been wearing passion twist is that after so long you get like straggly ends. So I can just kind of stick my hand in my hair and I got a straggler there. And I don't wash these twists simply because I don't think this kind of hair can hold up to like a full wash like braids could pop, like braids can hold up. These passion twists, I just don't think that this particular type of hair is made for washing. Not saying that you can't wash it. Again, I'm speaking of my own personal experience. And if you're not careful, you'll find yourself pulling the stragglies off, in which sometimes I do, like I just did. So if you wash your hair, that may make the stragglies more stragglier and then make your whole hairstyle look raggedy. So that's just something that you need to keep in mind about when it comes to passion twist. Besides that, I think these twists are amazing. I don't mind the stragglers because sometimes when I pull them off, it is a stress reliever for me, believe it or not. So it is very vital that you buy good hair to start with, good spring twist or passion twist hair to begin with, because what I've learned is if you go online or you go anywhere and buy the cheapest version of this hair, it will not twist nicely like this. It's going to twist in a way that doesn't look so nice. So that is it. Those are my cons when it comes to passion twist. Besides that, if you can live with those three things, then you are going to be okay. I hope this video was helpful for someone out there that is considering passion twist or spring twist. I'll see you tulips in the next one. Smooches. Mwah.